In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications in Stack. First, let's navigate to the online platform, Stack Build and Operate. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL to reach the login page. Here you'll usually see options to input your credentials. Next, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the Next button if you haven't already been prompted to enter your password. This will take you to the password field. Make sure to type in your password accurately. It's important to ensure that your caps lock is off if your password is case sensitive. After entering your password, look for the Login button on the screen and click on it. This will take you straight into your Stack account where you have access to all your projects and settings. Now, when you arrive on the homepage of the Stack platform, you'll see a dashboard filled with different options. From here, we're going to head over to your projects. Direct your attention to the menu where you should see a tab labeled Projects. Click on it to open up a list of all the projects you are managing. Once your projects are displayed, it's time to select the specific project where you want to set up notifications. Across the name of your chosen project, you'll see 3 dots. These dots usually indicate a menu with further options. Click on these dots to reveal more settings for your project. In this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Edit Project Settings and give it a click. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your project. Now that you're in the project settings, you want to locate the Notifications tab. This tab is where you can customize and control how and when you receive notifications related to your project's activities. Click on the Notifications tab to proceed to the Notification Settings page. In this section, you will have the ability to set up different types of notifications. You can start by configuring S&E notifications. This feature allows team members assigned to specific tasks in a project to receive alerts on their duties, which can be crucial for maintaining productivity and ensuring deadlines are met. Simply adjust these settings to determine how these notifications are delivered, whether through email alerts or pop-up messages. Following that is the option to set up owner notifications. This is particularly useful for project managers or team leads who might want a broader overview of project updates and activities. Ensuring owner notifications are properly set up can keep you informed of the overall project status and any critical changes or updates that might require your attention. Once you've adjusted these notification settings to your satisfaction, you're all set. Your projects are now equipped with tailored notifications that can help streamline communications and improve efficiency. Thank you for watching, and remember to revisit these settings as your project needs evolve.